Add your image, make it fit the full screen. Add a rectangle on top of it. Choose the color you want. And remove outline. Add your text. In our case, it is Rome. Select the background, then hold Ctrl and select the text. Open the Shape Format tab, Merge Shapes, and then pick Subtract. This creates a beautiful cutout. And now the fun begins. Duplicate the slide. Zoom out. And increase the cutout shape. Do this until it is no longer visible on the slide. Shift to the side if necessary. Select the second. Slide and apply the morph transition. Now is the last step. Subscribe my channel for more such tips.